Hi folks, George here. Karen Heimer of the Light and Art Studio in Silver City is sponsoring a Slot Canyon photographic adventure I am leading on Saturday, May 10th with a meet and greet Friday evening at the Light and Art Studio. During this time I will discuss the adventure, how I plan adventures, and what equipment I use to create the stills and videos for the YouTube adventures. I will also talk about how I capture Milky Way images, how I use the PhotoPills phone app to plan the sunrise, moonrise, and Milky Way images. Saturday morning we will meet at the Light and Art Studio and drive to the trailhead at Purgatory Chasm. This 1.5 mile trail takes us up the Slot Canyon with an easy hike out to the mesa and back to the trailhead. The entrance to the canyon is the deepest part and quickly gets narrow. We will have plenty of time to explore and photograph this slot canyon, especially the wonderful pool at the end of the slot where we leave the canyon and head for the mesa. After returning to the vehicles, we will take the short drive to the boat ramps for a picnic lunch. I will have a cooler for whatever you bring. If we are lucky, we may see some interesting birds for the wildlife photographers in the group. After lunch, we will drive down Highway 35 to the Skeets Canyon parking area. This half-mile canyon is one of my favorite slot canyons and is mostly a casual walk. There is one easy walk on the log and one short climb that shouldn't present a problem. I hope this video I recorded last week after Jason and I explored the Ravens Canyon will help you decide if this is the adventure for you. There are so many photographic possibilities in Skeets Canyon, and I look forward to sharing them with you. Hope to see you there.